Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use PDF.co to extract information from PDF invoices which can help you prevent fraud. For instance, if you have a set of invoices which contains account number of various users and you want to search for a specific account number, manually doing this can take a lot of time. With PDF.co, you can simply import invoices into the dashboard of document parser, and then PDF.co will extract all information including account number. And then you can simply match the account number of your choice within the set of those account numbers. So let's see how you can use PDF.co to extract information from PDF invoices. To do so, you first have to make an account with PDF.co. Once you have made an account, you can come to this link app.pdf.co/document parser, and here you have three options to import your PDF invoices. You can import from Dropbox, you can import directly from URLs, and you can also import PDF files. So as an example, I will simply import a PDF file. You will see the information from this PDF file extracted by PDF.co. So come back here and click choose file, and I will select my file. It will take some time to process the file and extract information. So you can see the information extracted from our PDF document. You can see the company name, the date, due date issued, bank account, and so on. So this is how you can extract information from an invoice. You can also extract information from multiple invoices at once. Let's see how to do this. So we will first delete this. And then again you have to click choose file, and you have to select all your documents at once. And you will see that the information from both these documents will be extracted. It can take some time. You can see one result was added from the uploaded file. So here you can see the progress of your application as well. And once the information is extracted, you can see it here. So you can see information from both your invoices here. You can see different account numbers from both invoices, due date, and other information, etc. So this is how you can use PDF.co to extract information from your PDF invoices. Thank you for watching.